we'll guide you through how to create Facebook page auto replies. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video, and let's get right into this. Firstly, you need to switch to the Facebook page. To do that, you just go to the top right and click on your account button or your profile picture, then tap on see all profiles, and then select the page you want to go and create an auto reply for. In this case, it's the GuideRealm page. So once you switch to it, then what you need to do is go over and go and press on Meta Business Suite. You may need to scroll down here, press see more, but for me it's at the top. So press it just like this. And then what you then need to do is go over to the left again and click on inbox, and it'll take a moment and you can go and see all your messages here. I haven't had any, which is why mine is empty. And then all you need to do is go to the top where it says automations and click here. And then what we can do is go and set up the auto reply, also known as instant reply. And so this will reply with a greeting when somebody messages you for the first time. So click on it like this, and you can choose where you want to use the automation, Messenger or Instagram. I'll use Messenger. And so then what you can do is choose what the message actually says. So you can go and customize this. And in the bottom left here, you can also go and personalize it. So for example, I'll put my cursor after hi and then press on personalize. I could then go and put the first name of the recipient. So then it's going to go and say, hi Rob, thanks for contacting us. And so yeah, you can go and add anything you'd like. I'll just keep mine just pretty simple like this. And then you can see what it looks like on the right, and then go and tap on save changes, and it will now go and save it. And that's it. Now, when somebody goes and messages the page, they're going to go and have this instant and auto reply. If you found this guide useful, then please leave a like.